Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or bake cheesy pizza with bacon and spinach. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have the pizza thin crust, cream cheese, onions, cheese, bacon, black pepper, basil, mozzarella cheese, and then salt, spinach. This is the spinach, guys. And then the pizza sauce or tomato mozzarella cheese. And then, guys, pepper. Okay, gonna put this basil, pepper, black pepper, and then a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna mix it. Spread that tomato sauce or pizza sauce in this thin crust dough. Okay, and the next, which is okay, and then we're gonna add a cream cheese. Okay, we just do like that. You can put at the center or here. Like that. And then we can put another cheese, this one. Okay, or we can put it here like that. Like that. And the next, we can put onions. Okay. It's sour in taste, so I think I just put, okay, there. Okay guys, only two, because maybe some of the people don't like sour in taste. Okay, okay, next, and then okay, super cheesy, guys. Okay, huh? Okay, so that's it. Okay, and now we're gonna put in. Wait here. Okay, okay, guys, so that's it for 10 minutes. Okay, mana? Okay. The spinach, guys, if you want also, you can cook the spinach also if you want, but I just do it like this. Okay, and the next is this one. This one. Okay. And this one we can put so that it's very cheesy. I suppose to put this one in at the circle, but you know the thin crust is very small. It's good if the one is very big. Okay, so next. Okay, and then next bacon more. Bacon. Very sour in taste, so Parmesan cheese. Okay, add some more cheese, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. I did not put in the pan, so the cheese is at the top, but it's very cheesy. And this one, I'm gonna put the second one. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's very cheesy, guys. Oh, the cheese. Okay. The spinach is already covered by the cheese. Okay. Okay, ipakita na that is cooked. And the one that is not cooked yet, finish, and then it's not finished yet. Okay, so that's the finish, and then that's the, it's not in the oven yet. Okay. Taste, guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. I have a pizza cutter, guys, but I prefer this knife. I just cut a little, okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna taste, guys. Look at. It's super yummy. The spinach, cream cheese, the cheese, onions, Parmesan cheese, and then this one. Super yummy. It's yummy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.